You're sitting at your desk staring at your computer. Your department used to have 20 people, it now has 12. HR's already made cuts and there's a rumor going around, more jobs on the chopping block. But here's what makes this different. Your company isn't struggling, they just reported record profits. And it's not because somebody smarter is replacing you. For the first time in history, the technology isn't just replacing physical labor, it's learning to do the thinking. Every major technology revolution changed work. Machines replaced muscle, computers replaced paperwork, but artificial intelligence is different because AI can now write, analyze, create, and solve problems. It's moving into the world of knowledge, customer service, administrative work, data analysis, programming, content creation. These are some of the areas where AI is already changing how work gets done. But here's the part most people misunderstand. AI probably won't replace entire careers overnight. It will replace parts of jobs. A lawyer can use AI to review thousands of documents. A doctor can use AI to analyze information faster. A programmer can use AI to build software. Jobs built around repetitive information may change the fastest. Data entry, basic research, routine customer support. But history shows something important. Every major technology revolution destroys some jobs while creating new ones no one expected. The printing press changed how humans shared knowledge. The internet changed how we communicate. AI will change how we work. The future may not belong to people who ignore AI or people who fear it. It will belong to those who learn to work with it. Because the biggest career risk may not be AI replacing you, but someone using AI replacing someone who doesn't.